Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the MS Word video series. In the last class we discussed about these options and now we are going to discuss about some other options. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can change the color. So first of all, what you have to do, simply you have to select the text. After selecting the text you have to choose the color, which color you want. If you want this color, simply you have to choose the color which you want. For example, I want this color. As you can see, the color is changed. If you want to increase the font size, let me increase it. Now we have another option. I'm going to delete this one and I'm going to make the size official 12. After that I'm going to write a sentence. As you can see, I have wrote this sentence. Now we have cases of text. If you want to apply the sentence case, you can also do that, but you don't need to apply this one because this is by default lowercase. All text will be in lowercase. If you apply in the uppercase, all the text will be in uppercase. As you can see, let me make it zoom. As you can see, this all is in uppercase. If you want to make it in lowercase, if you want to make it in capitalize each word, you have to click on capitalize each word. You have to select all, and after selecting all you have to click on the capitalize each word, and as you can see, the all text is in capitalized. You can see the letter of the first letter of every word is in capital. This is the function of capitalize each word. After that we have another case which is called toggle case. In the toggle case, as you can see, the first letter of each word is in lowercase. As you can see, the first letter of every word is in lowercase. So this is the function of toggle case. After that, for example, I have selected this whole text. After selecting this, I am going to making it bold, italic, underline, and I'm going to apply this size, and I'm going to apply some styles like this one. After that, if you want to remove all the things, simply you have to click on the clear all formatting. When you have to simply select Ctrl Z. Now as you can see, I have applied this all one. I'm going to go into sentence case, making it by default as it was. After that, simply I'm going to click on clear all formatting. As I will click on clear all formatting, all the things will be removed. As you can see, now it is in simple and the size of text is 11. So this is the function of clear all formatting. It removes the whole formatting from your text. So simply that. After that, if you want to highlight the text, simply you have to select the text. After selecting the text, you have to choose the color with which color you want to highlight. For example, this one, you can see the sample, and if you press here you can see the sample. These are the basic options. If you want to click on this one, as you can see, the text is highlighted. For example, if you want to highlight this one, you have to come here, select the color. If you want to highlight this one, you have to come here and then you have to simply select the color. If you want to remove this all highlights, you have simply select it. After selecting this, you have to go to the no color and all things will be removed automatically. So these are the basic options. After that, you have alignments. If you want to apply alignments, you can also do that. Simply you have 4 alignments. Justify it. After that, you have right align. After you have left align, center align. We have these 4 align: left align, center align, and right align, and then we have justify align. Justify is also some functions: justify low, justify medium, justify high. It's up to you which option you are applying. So I hope for this class this is enough, and about other options we will discuss in the next class. So see you in the next video.